Hi everybody, we're here back with more Revit training. And in this exercise, this is this project we've been working on. We're not complete with it, but we had some issues. Client wants to see drawings. So what we do here is see what we've got here. And we don't have much. As you can see, our plan is not fitting on this drawing very well, or our furniture plan. So what we need to do is let's go into our level one. Let's go into our site plan. Okay. Come on now. Gosh. Ooh, my goodness. Awful. So I'm going to change this scale to 1/32. We can see what's going on here. Okay, now right now, if you look in our project browser, we're going to look at True North and Project North. So I always default to Project North. But we want to make this a true. We want to make this. We want to orientate this whereas it'll fit on our sheet. We're looking really bad there. We need a bigger sheet and everything. So let's go back to a level, back to our site plan. Now here we go into orientation again, and we're at Project North, and then we go to our Manage tab, and we go to Position, and we want to go Rotate Project North. And here we want to go clockwise 90 degrees, and we'll say okay. What we have here, rotate. We got a few things that we got to fix, probably text, and we'll say okay. So now this is our new drawing, our layout, which is more manageable to work and it'll fit on our sheets. So we'll go back to our sheets now, go to our floor plan. Okay, it looks a little better, but let me see what border we have here. It's too small, so I'm going to just select it. I'm going to editate type. What I got in here? I got anything in here? Nope. Let's do a 32. Okay, that's a good one. Let's say okay. All right, yeah, that's a nice big one. But we don't want to use Autodesk. Well, we can use Autodesk for now, but I think I had some here. We go into type properties, and I'll go and look at. See what we got here. I like that one better. Got my logo on it. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I have some make videos like this. I'm going to drag this here up to there. So now we have our drawing that'll fit on one sheet, and then we can go in and create more. Okay, so this one, I have to change those. Let's see what's going on our three. All right, so we've got our sheet, and then here we want to go see, we got our furniture plan here. That's all rotated in, and here we want to activate this view. And we're going to drop this down to a 1/4 of an inch. Is this a 1/4 of an inch? Is it? Yes, it is. Oh, we need to change the sheet. So we'll just deactivate this, select this sheet, edit type, that new sheet at, there it is. Okay, and we apply okay. So you get the idea, so we're gonna move on from this. So, and I'm gonna deactivate, cancel. I'm gonna move this here. And then we're gonna go ahead and create a, oh wow, what happened here? We didn't get our sheet. Oh my God, I'm sorry folks. I'm gonna select this, edit type. Oh, I got a better idea. But anyway, let's see. We have here, we've got, okay. So how come we couldn't get this in here? So I'm select this, edit type. Oh, is that it? No, yeah, that's it. So we'll be using these sheets for this project to continue it on. We'll move the, you just sort of move this into place here. I think that's a good, so we got a 1/4 inch scale. Probably could have went to 5/16, but I'm gonna leave it there. We can place details and other elements on the side. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you how to do Project North and True North. So if I go back into go back into our site plan. This is our Project North, as you can see here. And then we go here and we go True North. Then we'll have it there. So everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Super thanks for anything. It helps me make videos like this. Now this is basically, what level is this? Okay, so it's our furniture planning level 1. So we got a lot to do here, but we got our sheet set up and everything. And basically that's the main thing here. To get your sheet set up and ready to go. I've got a lot of things to go. I got to finish the kitchens here. They're pretty typical in the bathrooms, and you know, like I said, client wants to see drawings, and you can do that. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this. See, we got our furniture plan, we got our floor plan, and actually we can go ahead and create a quick site plan. So basically what we'll do is go into our, I'm going to tile this, WT, come on now, what's happening? Well, for some reason I got my oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. But anyway, folks, I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, here we go. So right here, we've got our first floor plan. I renamed that and fixed all that up. This is for the entire building, so we got to do some issues there with the rotate. We should have probably did this before. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Yeah, we just went over rotate Project North and how to rotate the view and place sheets on drawings. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe, everybody.